Welcome to Inish kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. Do try out this recipe. If you like watching me, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Appams, as we all call it in south of India, is also known as lace hoppers in English. It's a super healthy and a gluten-free recipe. I'm going to show you how to make flower-shaped appams that is airy, soft to touch, fluffy in the center, that too without using any artificial rising agent like yeast or soda. Some people avoid yeast as it creates excess gas, bloating, headaches or triggers migraine. Yeast is a living single-celled fungus that is used in bread dough and batter. The yeast also produces alcohol, which produces a unique flavor of appams, and some people don't like the smell. When you put your batter in warm place, the warmth kicks the yeast into action and the batter slowly starts to rise up. This is all about yeast. Note the ingredients for making appam. In this recipe, I have replaced yeast soda with naturally fermented coconut, which is also known as homemade natural toddy. So first let's see how to make homemade natural toddy. I have used water from 2 fresh coconuts. Fill the water in less than half the size of the glass jar. And mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Close the lid and shake it thoroughly and roughly. Place the bottle in a warm place for 24 hours. Thereafter, do not shake the bottle. After 24 hours, you will see small bubbles in the water and the water will be white cloudy color. When you open the bottle, you will get sweet fermented smell. Strain the fermented coconut water and now the homemade natural toddy is ready to use in preparing appams. Now let's start with the process of appam. Mix together the soaked rice, grated coconut and cooked rice. In a blender, mix it with sugar, salt, fermented coconut water and normal water as required to form a smooth thin paste. Look at the batter consistency. The batter should be smooth and fine ground. Pour the batter in a big vessel that is more than double the size of the batter, leaving space for the batter to further ferment and rise. Leave this batter in a warm place for around 10 to 12 hours to ferment depending on the climate. When the batter ferments, the mixture will rise up, forming air holes. Give it a good stir and this is how the finally fermented batter looks like. Check for the salt at the time of preparing appams. Appams are made in upper chatti or upper kadai to get the shape. The chatti should be on medium-high flame and hot. Just a few drops of oil on a tissue paper and wipe over the pan. Pour 1 deep ladle of batter. Lift the chatti over the flame and move the batter front, back, right and slowly to the left. And then slowly move in diagonal shape, giving them a perfect petal shape. Practice makes it perfect. Make the move slowly so the batter can stick on the pan. When you see bubbles coming up, close the lid and wait for approximate 1 minute. Allow it to cook on medium heat. These appams give more appetite to one's eyes and taste buds. Wow! Your beautiful flower-shaped appams are ready to be served. These white lacy appams or hoppers, as we know in English, have a crispy side with an airy, soft on touch and fluffy center. A good food is mouth-watering when you see it and finger-licking when you eat it. I have accompanied these appams with egg roast cooked in coconut milk. Enjoy your meal and stay fit. Thank you for watching my video. For lots more upcoming recipes, make sure you like me now and log on to my website as mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.